Hey dolls, I'm LaLaLove and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new uploads. And make sure you also get that notification bell. I see you, sis. You better click it. Today, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be reviewing the Puma and Barbie collab sneakers. Now they came out with 2 pairs and I only have 1 pair for you. This is the pair that I was the most attracted to. I did see the other pair first and I was like, no. I'm like, what are those? Yeah, they were hideous. I don't know what they thought they were doing, but that weren't it. So the pair I have, I'm really excited about because they're so me. I was instantly drawn to them when I saw them on the ASOS website. As you guys may know, I'm an ASOS addict, so I'm always on that app, like strong facts every day. Sometimes 5 times a day, but we're not here for that. We're not here to judge. We're not here for that. Let's just get right into the video. Here's my parcel. I haven't even opened it yet. I thought it would be nice to do it on camera so you get my first reactions, so you can get my reaction of seeing them for the first time, like, you know, face to face, because I've only seen them online, whereas the other pair I saw in the store in Foot Locker. So let's open it up. Ooh, so far I love the box. Oh my gosh, the box is so cute. Guys, God, oh my god, oh my god. No, this box is everything. I keep forgetting that when they do collabs with other companies and brands that they also change the boxes, and I'm just like, this is giving me Malibu Barbie vibes. And to be fair, the sneaker is very Malibu Barbie now I think of it, but we're going to get to that in a second. I love that there's like, you know, it's not fully completely covered. It still has like the Puma look to it, but then it's also got that strip of like, what is that? The Barbie logo, and then I guess palm trees, some kind of confetti, and yeah, just besides that, standard box, standard size, and I'm obsessed with this side. It's just so pretty, and it's also like a different kind of feel. Like it's got you know, that sticky feeling when they've printed something over something and it's not like matte. It's not the same material as the box basically. It feels silky. Yeah. Anyway, let's open it up. Ooh. So it's got also the Barbie logo on the paper. Yeah, I guess it's called paper. What else would you call it? Wrapping paper? I don't know. Tissue paper. Get it together, sis. Yeah, so on the tissue paper, it's also got the Barbie logo. So I'm going to open that up. I'm actually really gassed. Ooh, I can see them. Ah, look at you. Look at you. This is the Nova style from Puma, and as you can see, this is Barbie's take on that design. I do have a pair of these already and they are really comfortable, so that's why when I saw these I was just like, it's an instant buy. I mean, everyone knows I love Barbie, everyone knows I love pink, and if you really know me, you know I love Puma as well, so like, what was there not to love? Like, everything about this is so cute. Going into detail, I really love that it's like this like neonish kind of yellow going around the top of the heel, and also the logo at the front, and with the Puma logo at the back. Also love that there's an ombre going around the heel, like just a minty green turquoise to pink, and it does that as well along these lines around the sole. And I love that it's baby pink with a satin finish at the top, so this would be quite hard to keep clean. So as much as I'm annoyed with them right now for reasons I can't be asked to mention, if you follow me on Twitter you would know, but I think that it will be important with these kind of materials to always make sure you have some kind of like crep protect or just shoe protector, because once you get something into this material, it's so hard to get it out. I've learned from my Fenty Pumas, like my bow slides, you guys have seen them on this channel, I love them to death, but they are super hard to keep clean. So you've been warned. Also, the tongue is like a mint green turquoise colour again with the yellow tag, and inside the shoe is again the Barbie logo with the Puma logo, and that's like a pink sole that goes into an ombre as well. I just think this is just a really nice shoe. Like, it's just a really dope shoe, and I feel like the design as well is something that Puma do really well. I'm really feeling their latest styles, and I appreciate that they do collabs with bigger, more popular companies, because then you know what to expect. And with Barbie, you kind of know that there's going to be some pink involved, you know there's going to be girliness. So for me, I know I'll always be into it if it's got Barbie written on it, because I know they'll put something on it that's going to make me want it. And that's exactly how I feel about these. The sole is a completely white. I kind of wish there was some kind of pink here. I mean, it's not necessary because no one's looking at the sole really, but how do you know? Like, the sole should have been completely pink, or at least pink there or something in the Puma logo, or something there or something. But that's not, you know, it's not a big deal. That's not a deal breaker to me. And I just love the touch of yellow, like that little pop of colour, because it breaks up the pink and the turquoise a little bit. And I'm really into these colour combinations right now. I've just recently bought a bag that matches this perfectly, and I can't wait to stunt on the gram. So if you're not following me, it's right there. Hit follow. Come on, don't be shy. I ain't gonna buy it unless you want me to. But I do charge. My PayPal's also below. Let me try these on and let you guys know the fits, and it should be as comfortable as the pair I already have, but let's see.
Bust down, Barbiana, bust down, Barbiana. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up. Hey yo, I've been a bad bitch, Kakiana, and I'm still winning Pakiana. Percocets, Papiana, killing everybody beat. Thank you, next, Ariana.
Thank you so much for watching my video. If you've made it this far, make sure you subscribe. If you haven't, I mean, I shouldn't have to be telling you twice. There are a lot of people, I'm not even going to tell you the percentage, but there's a lot of you that watch and don't click subscribe. So why not join the gang? Join the doll gang. Hey, gang gang. Don't forget to check out my other uploads. I'll leave them right here, sir. I'll see you in my next video. Kisses.